Hi everyone, I'm Alicia, and today I'm joined by Julio of Studio Suite. Julio, how are you doing today?
Doing well, thanks for asking. How are you, Alicia?
I'm doing great, thank you. So I'm really excited about this video because we're going to be talking about something really cool that you guys are getting ready to offer, and that is live question and answer sessions. So I just kind of want to ask you, what are these sessions going to look like?
Yeah, so we are going to be hosting these live Q&A sessions every Wednesday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. And during these sessions, we'll be covering a specific module in Studio Suite and showing you some tips and shortcuts that will help you save time and speed up your workflows. Some of the topics that we'll be covering are conflict management and how to create work groups in Studio Suite to manage them a little bit easier, scheduling, so maybe how a studio manager can use Studio Suite to schedule his resources more effectively. Also project management and how to make sure that your projects are profitable. We're also going to be talking about inventory management, how to perform inventory checks in Studio Suite, and also invoicing and reporting. So we're going to show you how to export your invoices to QuickBooks if you use QuickBooks, and also how to create itemized reports from Studio Suite. So we're very excited about this.
Awesome. Yeah, I mean, it sounds very exciting, and I'm sure that current customers or maybe potential customers who are interested in finding out more about your software will definitely want to tune in to learn more. We're also going to be having some demos, live demos going out on your blog soon, so that'll kind of cover and be extra material on those same topics. And I just want to ask one final question. If I want to attend the live Q&A sessions, do I have to sign up?
Yeah, you want to register, and you can do that by using a link that we'll be posting on our website, or you can also go to Twitter and find that announcement with a link. So we're going to be posting those weekly as well, just to remind you and to provide the links to those topics. Also note that if you have any questions or you're interested in hearing more about any of these specific modules or features in Studio Suite, you can also email us and we'll try to include one of those topics or any questions that you have in our Q&A sessions. And of course, these question and answer sessions are great for existing customers if you want to learn how to use Studio Suite a little bit better and get some tips. And it's also very informative for people who are looking into Studio Suite and they want to learn a little bit more about our software.
Right. Well, that'll be awesome too, because it'll give them the chance to see the software maybe before they even make the decision to buy it. So that's really exciting that you guys are going to be offering this. Thank you so much for telling me more about it. And if you'd like to find out more, you can contact Studio Suite, as Julio said. You can give them a call at the number up on the screen, visit the website at studiosuite.com, or send an email to info@studiosuite.com. And make sure you're also following, and subscribing them on all social media. Thanks again, Julio.
Thank you, Alicia.